Meet Isaac, your 24/7 robot butler that folds your laundry, does the dishes, and even cooks you breakfast. This isn't a futuristic dream, but a new product from startup Weave Robotics. The average person spends more than 3.5 years of their life doing household chores. It's a lot of time and effort spent on dusting, vacuuming, and organizing. But what if there was a way to automate these tasks and free up time for more important things in life? This is where Isaac comes in. The first personal home robot with not one but two dexterous arms capable of picking up, folding, and organizing just about anything. His creators, Evan Wineland and Kondogrash, built Weave Robotics to solve the age-old problem of household chores. But Isaac isn't just a set of robotic arms. He's powered by a cutting-edge AI stack that combines the best of vision language models, planners, and continual learning to understand and interact with the world around him. But privacy is also a top priority for Weave Robotics. That's why Isaac's camera retracts and his microphone powers off when he's idle. And when he's not needed, Isaac can stow himself into a compact enclosure, keeping him out of sight and mind until the next time he's called upon. So how do you control Isaac? It's easy. Just use the Weave mobile app or simple voice commands. But what if Isaac encounters a task he's not familiar with, or an item he's not sure how to handle? No problem. With a remote op feature, human specialists can step in and guide Isaac through the task, teaching him how to perform it on his own in the future. But don't worry, Isaac is designed to handle most household tasks without human intervention. In fact, he can do things like fold your shirts without wrinkles, refill your pet's food bowl, or arrange your books precisely. If he ever pauses and asks for input, it's only because he wants to make sure he's handling something correctly or avoid breaking something valuable. Ow. So how much does this amazing robot butler cost? The current price is $59,000 or $1,385. Month over 48 months, plus a $1,000 refundable reservation. Reservations are now open, and the first units will ship in fall 2025. In the US, with more batches shipping in 2026. Don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.